This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Melinda Marvin. Beautifully maintained home in Suffolk. This 3-bed/2.5 bath has a bright and sunny living room with vaulted ceilings and open floor plan joining with a formal dining room. Large kitchen with updated appliances and tons of counter space. Enjoy evenings around the den fireplace with French sliding doors leading to your side garden that's perfect for entertaining. Primary bedroom has 2 large walk-in closets, huge ensuite bath, and lovely sitting area with fireplace. Enjoy the condo community amenities that include pools, playgrounds, and large pavilion where you can host family gatherings or events. For more information, review the details below.